everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Divine. In today's video, I'll be showing you my weekly at-home facial routine. Some days our skin is extra dull or breaking out, maybe because of too much dairy, stress, lack of sleep, and also maybe because of wearing too much makeup. So I try my best to do a facial detox once a week just to remove all the impurities, toxins, dead skin cells, and as much as possible to renew and revitalize my skin. Let's start with a clean face. I already washed my face with a cleanser. Next step is to do a steam treatment. You can boil a small pot of water on the stove and you can steam your face for around 5 minutes. So after that, here I'm just using a facial mist just to hydrate my skin before applying a detox mask. And for the next step, I'll be using the Teami Green Tea Detox Mask. I super love this mask. It is very smooth and it gets deep into my pores and helps to clear them out. Since I have oily skin, my pores tend to get clogged easily and this mask helped my skin to be less oily. And guys, this brand is cruelty-free. It is made with organic ingredients. It has lemongrass, matcha, green tea, and bentonite clay. A lot of the good ingredients that is great for oily skin. I'm just gonna leave this mask for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Hindi ko siya papatagalin ng sobra sa face ko guys kasi I don't want my skin to be super dry and ayoko na ma-strip na yung natural oil ng face ko. I just want to detox my face for a good 10 to 15 minutes. By the way guys, I'll be putting the link down below if ever you are interested sa mga nabanggit ko na product. So after 12 minutes, I'm gonna rinse my face and pat it dry. I'm gonna be using a warm water to remove all the traces of the facial mask on my face. After that, I'm gonna be applying a peel-off mask and this one is from the brand Megan. So, itong step na to guys, hindi ko siya ginagawa weekly pero pag may napansin lang ako na parang natitirang blackheads or whiteheads sa aking nose, I use this one. Next is toner and I'm using the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This one guys has salicylic acid which helps sa pag-unclog ng pores, to smooth wrinkles, and also to brighten and even out your skin tone. For the serum, I'm using the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% by the brand The Ordinary. Etong serum na to guys, nakakatulong siya sa pag-reduce ng appearance sa mga blemishes sa skin nyo. After that, let's move on to moisturizer. I'm using the Luxe Organic Soothing Gel, aloe vera and snail. I super love this one. I've mentioned this a lot sa mga videos ko, pero this one is great sa may mga oily skin, lalo na kapag ayaw nyo ng greasy feeling na kind of moisturizer. And then here, I'm using my Kocostar lip mask. This is a hydrogel lip patch that deeply hydrates and nourishes dry or chapped lips. Since I have some acne and redness on my face, I'll be applying this rovectin Doctor Mask Sheet Cica. I use this mask whenever I have breakouts or I want to just calm my skin and to soothe my skin kasi this one has madecassoside and also calamine which is very good sa pag-repair ng damaged na skin. And I'm just gonna leave this on my skin for a good 10 minutes kasi ayoko na ng sobrang mas matagal since I already detox my face. I think 10 minutes is enough. And after that, I'm just gonna massage my face. And kung napapansin nyo guys, yung improvement ng skin ko, medyo nag-calm na siya, medyo nabawasan yung redness, and I feel like it's more fresh and clean. For my last step, I'll be applying this Etude House AC Clean Up Pink Powder Spot. Guys, sobrang love ko tong product na to. It does wonders on my acne, on my redness. Ito guys, meron siyang calamine and also madecassoside which is, sabi ko nga sa inyo, great for irritated skin and sa may mga acne-prone skin. Kaka-discover ko lang ng product na to pero I cannot stop using this one lalo na ngayon na I have acne on my face. Nakakatulong talaga siya na makadry ng pimples. And that's it for my weekly at-home facial routine. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. Thank you so much for watching guys and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!
You got the summertime love.